Hello YouTube, today we're talking about how to unban your Omegle account. As you can see, Omegle++ application is already installed in my devices, and this application allows you to unban your network. All you need to do, you must connect to Wi-Fi where our network is banned. Click press unban and everything will be unbanned. So press unban, and now as you can see everything is generated. Way to complete of this process. After complete, our network will be unbanned. As you can see everything is complete. So how to get this application Omegle++ for your mobile devices? Basically it's very easy method. Open your favorite browser and follow me. Type this the Omegle++. Okay, press install. Way to finish this process. The last step is verification. Though sponsor game, follow all instructions. After complete this verification, Omegle++ will be installed for Android or iOS devices in 2023.